Welcome to the Chimpanzee video series. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to integrate Chimpanzee with Koala call sheets to create stunning, professional-looking call sheets for your production. Chimpanzee allows you to import your screenplay and create scenes and attach those scenes to shoot days, create actors and crew, and add elements to scenes such as props, costumes, and set dressing. It also allows you to create over 20 reports, ranging from breakdown summaries, actor lists, crew lists, top sheet reports for your budget, and a call sheet. Koala Call Sheets is an add-on program that allows you to add a lot more information to your call sheet and choose from different preset templates. It also allows you to email your call sheet directly from Koala Call Sheets to your cast and crew. So let's take a quick tour of how to integrate Koala Call Sheets with your Chimpanzee schedule. This lesson assumes you have watched the previous lessons and you have a schedule already loaded into Chimpanzee. If not, use the sample time travel schedule that comes preloaded into Chimpanzee. Go ahead and launch Koala Call Sheets. Upon first entry, you will be asked to enter a serial number, or you can run Koala Call Sheets in demo mode. I'm going to register Koala with a serial number. To load a Koala file exported from Chimpanzee, from the File menu, select Load Call Sheet, and then Load Call Sheet File. Locate the file that was exported from Chimpanzee. This will create a new project in Koala Call Sheets. Here are the shoot days that were imported directly from your Chimpanzee schedule. Let's select the first shoot day. Anything we do here will affect this shoot day only. If we click on the Scenes button, we will see the scenes for this shoot day. And as you can see, they are the same as in Chimpanzee. You can add a scene here if you want. However, any information you add or modify in Koala Call Sheets will not be reflected in your Chimpanzee schedule. To add a scene here, just click on the green Add button. You can also delete a scene by selecting the red X button. Again, deleting a scene here does not delete the scene in Chimpanzee. The import from Chimpanzee into Koala Call Sheets is a one-way, one-time import. Let's take a look at some of the things we can do here that we cannot do in Chimpanzee. Select the Weather button. If you are connected to the internet, you can access weather and sunrise/sunset information without leaving Koala Call Sheets. Enter the zip code or the city and state to access up-to-date information. Same with sunrise/sunset information. You can also change the URLs to go anywhere you want on the web. The Notes button allows you to enter 4 sections of notes. The first tab, Notes, imports the note information from Chimpanzee. Let's check that right here. The next 3 tabs are called Special Notes. This allows you to enter up to 3 more note lines on your call sheet. For example, let's say you want a note at the top of the call sheet that says something like this. I want this bold and centered. And then you want another note after the cast section that says this. I also want this bold, centered, and underlined and italicized. Okay, let's see how that looks. Let's close out this window and select the Preferences button. Here, you can specify lots of preferences on how you want to print your call sheet. Notice up here is something called Order of the Blocks. If I want the first special note to print at the top, select it for the number 1 slot. Then I want Scenes to print here, then Cast. Then remember, I wanted special notes number 2 after cast. Let's put the crew here. You can arrange the order of these blocks in any way you want. The shot information, let's put here in slot number 13. Okay, so remember the order. Special notes number 1, scenes, cast, special notes number 2, then crew. Close out the preferences window. And now let's build the call sheet. Click on the Create Call Sheet button. Up here, select the View, Print, Save PDF option. Select any one of the templates. Okay, let's take a closer look at this call sheet. Here are the special notes number 1 at the top of the call sheet, followed by the scene information, then the cast, and then the special notes number 2. To print this call sheet, select the Print button. Let's look at hospital and parking. To add hospital and parking information to your call sheet, select either of these buttons. Click the green Add button to add a hospital. You can enter the hospital address and phone if desired. Hospital info is usually printed in the header of a call sheet. Once again, in Preferences, you can decide whether or not to print hospital and parking on your call sheet. Now, let's take a look at call times. In Chimpanzee, you can only enter one call time. However, in Koala call sheets, you can enter call times for breakfast, first shot, meals, last shot, and camera and crew wraps. You can enter each call time individually, or you can use Koala's Smart Call Time feature. This allows you to modify the main call time here, which will automatically enter many of the other call times for you. This section is considered shot information. If you go back to Preferences, you can see that this is a block. You can tell Koala where you want this information to print, or you can not print it at all by selecting Skip. At any time, if you want to go back to the default block order, just click this button. Atmosphere and stand-ins is another feature in Koala call sheets. Atmosphere, also referred to as extras, allows you to enter this information here. Select the green Add button to add an atmosphere record. You can also enter a note for this record. Select the Scheduled button to schedule this atmosphere for this shoot day. Then enter a call time for this atmosphere if desired. Let's add a stand-in. A stand-in is an actor that literally stands in for a principal actor for lighting and blocking purposes. Select the green Add button to add a stand-in. Enter the actor name and who they are standing in for. Just like Atmosphere, select the Scheduled checkbox to schedule this stand-in for this shoot day. Then enter a call time if desired. Let's see how this looks on a call sheet. A very powerful feature of Koala call sheets is the Custom Entry feature. This allows you to enter custom entries on your call sheet in an Excel type format with anywhere from 1 to 6 columns and as many rows as you want. Let me demonstrate this by creating a custom entry for radios, which are usually needed on a set. To create a new custom entry, select the green Add button on the left-hand side of the screen. In the A column, I'm going to type in radio channels in caps. This is considered the header of the custom entry, so I'm going to leave the rest of the header fields blank. To create a new row, select the green Add button on the right-hand side of the screen. I'm going to enter 1 ADs. This signifies that channel 1 is reserved for the ADs. Tab to the next column and enter the next channel and etc. down the row. Let's see what this looks like on our call sheet. It's on the second page, so let's go there. And here you can see the format of these entries looking exactly like the custom entry screen. Let's go back to the custom screen. Just a couple of things to notice here. You can specify how many columns you want for each custom entry. You can specify how to sort the custom entries. And lastly, a very powerful feature, you can copy a custom entry to another shoot day. Since this is just an overview of Koala call sheets, we are not going to go over every feature. So check out some of the really cool features, such as emailing a call sheet directly from Koala. This is explained in detail in other lessons in the Koala call sheet video series. I hope this overview of Koala call sheets gave you a basic understanding of the huge flexibility and power of Koala call sheets, and how they can create stunning and professional call sheets. To learn more about Koala call sheets, like I said, check out the Koala call sheets video series. That wraps up this lesson. Have a great shoot.